Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing. I am so excited to be starting off another month of beauty subscriptions. So this is my first one, but I will be getting the other BOXYCHARM box, both Ipsy Glam Bags. I can never remember if I'm getting the Glam Bag X or the Glam Bag Plus, but I upgrade, so if it's that quarter, then we'll be getting that one. But I love beauty subscriptions, and if you love beauty subscriptions as well, or at least watching the unboxings and unbaggings, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel because there are going to be a lot more coming soon. I think I've gotten email notifications that all of mine have shipped now. But so this one here, the BOXYCHARM Premium box, is $39.99 a month, which is expensive, but hopefully worth it. I was really happy with last month's boxes, and a disclaimer that well, it's not a disclaimer because this is not sent to me for free. I pay for all of my BOXYCHARM, my Ipsy, so it's really important to me that I'm getting my money's worth with these boxes and these glam bags. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box. And by the way, if you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM, it is a monthly beauty subscription, and not every box is the same. And you don't get spoilers the way you can with Ipsy. You do get to choose some of the products in your box, but I'm always so excited to see what's in here because I don't know what to expect. I also never remember what I chose. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So I've got some product information right on top here. Another thing that I love about BOXYCHARM is you always get full-size products, so I can add up the total retail value that I spent $40 on. Oh boy, right on top is a beautiful Huda Beauty palette. I love Huda Beauty. This is the Mercury Retrograde palette, and oh my gosh, is this gorgeous packaging or what? Okay. Oh my gosh, it's big. Let's check out the shades. This is a breathtaking palette. I love the huge mirror. That's essential for a travel palette for me. But oh my gosh, these shades and the packaging around these shades just makes my eyes so happy to look at. Hopefully it's going to make my eyes so happy to wear. Like, oh my gosh, the shades in here. So I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I will be saving the swatches, all of that for the full dedicated review video. So as I'm going through all of these beauty subscription boxes this month, if there's any products that you're extra interested in me reviewing and doing the tutorials on first, just let me know in the comments down below. So the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette retails for $67. That is wildly expensive, in my opinion. Next up, here is, ooh, I like the packaging on this as well. It's from the brand Christophe Robin Paris, which I'm actually not familiar with this brand. Brume Volumissante. Okay, this is in a different language. Instant volumizing leave-in mist with rose water. Uplifted roots and fuller lengths. That sounds really great for my type of hair. And I don't think I have a product like this in my collection, and I don't think I've really tried one before, so I'm very excited. Seems simple enough. You can apply it to dry or damp hair. Just spray it on. So I'm excited to try that out. The Christophe Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water retails for $39. That seems very expensive for a hairspray product. Next up, this might be from another brand that I'm not familiar with. Moonlit Primed for the Night Eyeshadow Primer. Okay. I love eyeshadow primers. I think they are so essential. Look at this beautiful packaging. There, can you see that better now? So pretty. Maybe this will go with that Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette I got. Ooh, I like the applicator. So I am very excited to try out a new makeup brand. I think that is so fun. One of my favorite parts about these beauty subscriptions. So the Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night Eyeshadow Primer retails for $18. Next up, oh, this is from Huda Beauty. I'm like, I don't think I recognize this brand, and I don't say swears on my channel, so I'll just show you what it says. See that? I'm like, that's the name of the brand, what? But this is the Matte Filler Lip Liner. Another product that I love is lip liner, and this is in the shade Angelou. So I don't know if I've tried many products. Like, I definitely have not tried many products from this brand, Huda Beauty, but I've definitely heard of it. Maybe I've tried out a couple, but ooh, this looks like a great shade. I mean, I'm wearing a lip liner right now, and I'm just wearing lip gloss on top of it, but this is exactly what I like to use on a daily basis. A nice nude lip liner, very similar to my natural lip shade. So then when I overline my top lip a little bit, it looks natural. And this seems promising. It's kind of small for a lip liner, but it's the sharpened kind, so I'm sure it's still going to be able to last a long time. And so the Huda Beauty lip liner retails for $16. Ooh, this is a pretty spray bottle as well. This is from the brand Vicky. I don't know this brand either. Gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare actives, clean and nourish, makeup melt. I have never tried out a makeup remover spray. That sounds so cool. It says, say goodbye to dry feeling, lash tugging, harsh rubbing, and leftover makeup. Say hello to clean, refreshed, brightened, makeup-free skin. So you spray it directly onto dry skin, massage in gentle circular motions with hands, and rinse with water. That sounds really cool, especially for a day where I'm wearing a full face. I'm excited to try this out as like that pre-cleanser type of makeup remover step. So this Vicky Beauty Makeup Melt retails for $24. That's cool that both of these sprays are a type of beauty product that I have not tried out yet. And I really do kind of consider myself a beauty connoisseur. Like, I'm obsessed with beauty. I love beauty products. But the fact that there are still types of products that I haven't tried out yet that I'm getting in this box that I'm so excited to incorporate into my routines, and then makeup brands that I haven't tried out yet, or brands in general, like both of these spray brands, I don't know. I just think that is so fun and exciting, and it always makes it such a treasure hunt with these subscription boxes. And then I still have one product left. Ooh, this is heavy. This is the Dime Eyelash Boost Serum. Now, this is a type of product that I am very familiar with. I have been using lash serums for years at this point, and I'm at the point where I can't go back to not using an eyelash serum. I have just seen such amazing results from using eyelash serums. At this point, this is how into it I am. I use an eyelash serum on the base of my lashes every night, but then I also use an eyelash, it's like a serum also, but it coats the lashes, kind of like a clear mascara. I do both of those every night. Then every morning, or when I put on my mascara, I do a nourishing mascara primer, the Lancome one, and then I use a lash enhancing mascara, the Wander Beauty mascara in the pink tube that enhances lashes and has like a lash serum in it. And that has also made my lashes grow tremendously. So right now I'm using 4 different lash enhancing products, and I think my lashes look pretty great, if I do say so myself. I could use a little bit more curl to my lashes, thinking about maybe a lash lift at some point, but the length of my lashes I am so happy with. But so let's see what this is. Once again, a brand that I'm not familiar with. Oh yeah, and this is the kind that you apply nightly to the base of upper and lower lashes. I don't apply to lower lashes right now. Continue using to maintain the condition and appearance of your lashes once desired results are achieved. So I'm really excited to try this one out, put it to the test now that I've tried out a bunch of different versions, see how it compares. My favorite that I've ever tried, if you're wondering, is Eyelash in the gold tube, the Eyelash Lash Enhancing Serum. Everyone that I know that has tried it has seen incredible results. And sometimes you can get Eyelash in Ipsy or BOXYCHARM, but I'm excited to try out this brand, which, by the way, if you've tried this out or any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them. And so, the Dime Beauty Co. Eyelash Boost Serum retails for $44. That's expensive, but it's kind of in line with the price points that I see on lash serums. Wow. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this box. It's a good range of products. I did get 3 makeup products, which I love to get mostly makeup in these boxes, but at least the other products that I got are products that I am so excited to use, that are kind of new to me, that I'll actually use in my routine, not just like another face moisturizer that I feel like I have way too many of. But so I'll do a quick recap and I'll let you know the total retail value on these. So I've got the Uma Lip Liner, the Moonlight Eyeshadow Primer, the Dime Eyelash Boost Serum, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette, the Vike Makeup Melt, and the Christoph Robin Volumizing Leave-In Mist. And those 6 products bring me to a total retail value of $208. Amazing value that I spent $40 to get. I can't wait to try these out. I also can't wait to see what other products I'm going to get in my beauty subscriptions this month. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.